Hello everybody and welcome back to another daily update. My name is Akash. You can follow me on Twitter at Mangeko with a zero at the end. Click this link in my bio. It will take you to my YouTube channel where I post content every single day. I focus mainly on Bitcoin because it helps you get a sense of the directional bias for the day, which will help you trade altcoins. Like if you do not know where Bitcoin is going to go, then there's no point in trying to trade altcoins. So this is what I do every single day. If you enjoy the content that I put out and want to stay updated, please make sure the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. So yeah, let's get into Bitcoin, right? So yesterday I spoke about the directional bias for Bitcoin and kind of dwelled a little deeper into CME gaps and the Monday's high and low and what to expect. Right, today we're gonna build on that. So if you haven't watched yesterday's video, please make sure to go ahead and just give it a quick view. So right, so let me just there's a couple of things happening here, so I want to quickly explain the things. Right, let me just turn this off for now. Yeah, so we have this range over here which extends from $29,720 to $32,671. This range has been pretty important, at least, and what I'm expecting since we formed this range was for the price to sweep the low and then make a run at the highs. But so far, what we've gotten is a sweep of the low and a consolidation around the low and below the 50 retracement level here at 31,196. Right, so there's no attempts for the price to move higher, and as I mentioned yesterday, we've collected liquidity resting below the lows quite a bit. So the swing highs, however, have pretty much been untapped for quite some time, except for this one over here, which was collected when price moved up here. Liquidity above here is uncollected, liquidity above here is uncollected. So these green circles is where I'm expecting the price to move into, right? So a very quick scalp that I'm taking right now is this one. Price was somewhere around here. We expected the price to fill up this demand zone here, which was from a 5. You can't really call this a demand zone, but quite expected the price to bounce off of this level here and then make a move higher. And so far it's happening pretty good. By the time I post this video, the scalp would kind of be invalidated. I mean, it wouldn't be valid, so I'm not going to mention this in the title or whatever. So yeah, so what I'm expecting right now is for the price to bounce off of this inclined trend line that I've drawn here. Like as you can see from a 15-minute time frame, the price has been bouncing off of this level. Like so far, there's 2 bounces, pretty immaculate. I'm expecting for the third bounce, which has already happened. If you look at it from a candlestick perspective, the wicks have already tagged this level, so I'm optimistic, hopeful that the price is going to continue going higher because I have an extremely tight stop loss. Like my stop loss is just around here, it's just 29,719 ish something. So if not all the way up to this level here, I'm expecting the price to at least go up to 30,020, mainly to fill the liquidity, the fair value gap that is present here as price dropped extremely quickly from this level here at 30,173. So the overall plan for this week is pretty simple, right? We've marked out the Monday's high at 31,309, Monday's low at 29,040. So far we haven't gotten a sweep of the Monday's low or the Monday's high, and as mentioned in yesterday's video, I kind of talked about, yeah, so I am expecting either the sweep of the Monday's high, or the sweep of the Monday's low. So not sure which is going to happen first. There's literally a massive chop going around right now, and the interesting thing is the Monday's high obviously the Monday's high coincides with the weekly open, making it a really good confluence. So that in mind, I feel like we are going to even if we go higher, I think there's going to be a strong rejection for the price and then move below the Monday's low. I think that would be the best case scenario. But if the price continues to sell off like it has done so far and sweep the Monday's low, I think unlike in yesterday's video, I'm going to be a little conservative and probably book profits around the Monday's high at $31,000 and not expect the price to go all the way up to 32 and 34 ish. right? And the reason why I'm expecting the price to go up to 35, I explained in my yesterday's video, which is the CME gap. So if you haven't checked that out, please make sure to go and check it out. I'm gonna you're gonna see the video pop up right now in the right top corner, so please click that. Right, so that said, things are pretty much the same for now. I'm expecting the sweep of the Monday's low, the Monday's high for opening like a scalp long or a scalp short position. For now, the trade that I'm taking is pretty simple. I'm expecting the price to bounce off of this inclined trend line and make a move higher. And now that I'm looking at this, I think there is a good chance price could, okay, so this is a symmetrical triangle formation that's happening right now. And more often than not, what's going to happen in a triangle formation is the price does this, and then eventually for a breakout, price does a fake out, and then quickly reverses, does this, boom, it goes higher. So the people that want to long here usually have the stop losses around here, below this low here. This is the low. So the people that want to long, the breakout traders, what they do is, if they're not patient for the breakout, what they're going to do is they're going to long here and put the stop loss below this low here, and then expect the price to kind of go higher. And once the price kind of does this, there's a chance it could fake out and then go higher, right? Another way how we could fake out and like even take out the patient traders is something like this. The price does this, then boom, takes out all the stop loss, and then proceeds to go in the original direction, right? So the people that actually long here usually have the stop losses below this low around here or this low, right? All of these breakout traders are going to get swiped. So yeah, it is really important on how you trade. For now, I just want to do a normal scalp, hoping it doesn't break out right now. And if it does break out to the upside, then I wouldn't mind taking advantage of the breakout. Right, so yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. The Monday's low, the Monday's high, the trade idea presented in yesterday's video is pretty much still valid. But for now, I'm targeting the short-term equal highs formed around roughly 30,716. So I'm expecting, I'm trying to open a long position here and book profit somewhere around here. Right, so that is pretty much it. If you guys enjoyed my analysis, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions, feedback, or questions about the stuff that I explained in the video or any other video that you've seen so far, please make sure to tag me on Twitter and just ask away. And have a great day. Peace.